This episode of Faith Family Adventure is brought to you by Baker Homes. Remember, who you choose matters. Put our work ethic to work for you. Alright, we are off to do our gas tank trip of the day. We like to do these little trips and see how far we can go on a tank of gas and just kind of explore the Ozarks. Got the kiddos in the back. And then of course we got a whole nother load of kids in the Jeep behind us. We are headed down to, we're probably gonna do Eden Falls. So that's where we're off to. And we'll see you down there. Buffalo. Here we are, Lost Valley Buffalo National River. We're heading to see a big waterfall. I bet this place is slammed on a weekend. Well, the plus side of this facility is that it does have running water in the bathrooms, as well as it has an outhouse. So there are plenty of facilities if you come down here and are needing to use the bathroom like my entire crew did. It's also got picnic tables and stuff over there as well, with a nice little creek running through right over there. Nobody told me I was gonna get my feet wet. No, I'm not getting my feet wet. Okay.
Your feet is wet.
Why is there not a bridge is what I'd like to know. Jump! Jump! Or is that a millipede? I can never tell the difference.
He's a crawly thing.
He's a crawly thing. This is a crawly thing.
I make Daddy nervous. Let him
Yeah.
holding the baby.
Push! Heave! Heave! I don't think you got it in you.
No, sir.
Put your legs into it.
Like look at water.
So we use extreme caution. Quick disclaimer, we did not realize that you are not allowed to bring dogs into the Lost Valley. By the time we saw the signs, we were already 2.5 hours from home and there was nowhere to put the dog. So we just decided we would take the ticket. But if you head down there, make sure you leave the pet at home. Oh, that is so cool. What do you think? Huge bluffs overhead. That is super cool. Woo, and that is cold. On land, that's cold. Stay close. Stay close. So gorgeous. Like, this is a hike, y'all.
This is what hiking feels like.
Well, that's what we're doing, is hiking. Holy cow, that's a lot of steps.
The stairs everywhere is really cool.
You gonna go around that way? Really?
He has to go the hardest way every single time.
Come on. You chose that direction. I did not choose that direction. Come on. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. That is incredible. Oh my gosh. That is awesome.
Do you think you would survive that fall, Dad?
No. That's like 12 stories of water. That is too freaking
Do
awesome.
you think that? Oh my! Whoa!
Look at this.
This is beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
I trust it's beautiful, but I don't trust it.
This is incredible. Look at that. Like it comes up off there. Oh my gosh, this is just too gorgeous. This is huge. Woo! Look at this. That is cool.
Oh, I did something to back up.
More difficulties! Yay! Difficulties. What did
all
we
good.
say?
Where'd they go?
Oh, they went up there.
Okay. Sucker.
We don't trust Amira to go tumbling down there. So we're taking her up with the... Yay! Oh, what?
That is so.
Oh, hi guys!
This is so much fun. Hi.
Hi, Charlotte!
Long as I still enough to be able to do this.
This is the top of Eden Falls. Waterfalls down there, and then that pool.
Okay.
What do you think?
Sick. I want to try there though, but I can't. It's awesome.
Is it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's go. All right.
We're going?
All right, let's go. All right, hey, I'm going down in the lead. Make sure you stay against the wall.
We're back.
They were like, she looks like she's been wild too. I said, well, if I don't carry her, she's
But
fearless.
there's a big cave.
Oh, it's like, oh, we're going this way. You're supposed to be boiled.
And he wanted to follow you guys so that I had to drag him back down.
Okay, so after we reach the top up there, way up there, you come back down these stairs, and then this is where you kind of split before. You go that way to go to the big tall waterfall that's coming off the, look at that, you can see it from right here, coming off the rocks way up there, and then it loops back around and it goes way back up there, and then it comes back down through here. And up there's where the cave is and the other big waterfall and all that stuff. What'd you think, my man?
Oh, it's awesome. Scary, dangerous, awesome. Makes me sneeze for some reason.
Made you sneeze?
Yeah, I sneezed a couple times.
How did it make you sneeze?
I don't know, but I sneezed more than usual.
Overall, the trip took 2 hours and 30 minutes. That was, of course, with a lot of stopping off because little kids wanted to play in the creek. It was also just over 3.8 miles. Of course, that is also with veering off for little kids to play in the creek. And you ascend 440 feet. And if you feel the urge to explore the Ozarks, the Lost Valley is a great destination within a gas tank's drive of Springfield. And if you're feeling extra daring, after you visit Eden Falls, make your way up to the cave and see if you can find the other waterfall inside.